Next, fill in the blanks. Again, if x equals to a sec theta cos phi, y equals to b sec theta sin phi, z equals to c tan theta, then x square upon a square plus y square upon b square minus z square upon c square equals to, quite easy one. Do this, bring x upon a, so it becomes x upon a equals to sec theta cos phi. A comes over here. Similarly, b comes over here. Y upon b equals to sec theta sin phi, and z upon c equals to tan theta. Okay. So do it as required in the question. Therefore, x upon a the whole square plus y upon b the whole square minus z upon c the whole square equals to, see this, everything will be squared. Sec square theta cos square phi plus sec square theta sin square phi minus tan square phi. Yeah, it should be tan square theta. Okay. So sec square theta into what's bracket, sec square theta comes common, cos square phi plus sin square phi minus this tan square theta as it is. So it becomes sec square theta into, this is 1 minus tan square theta, right? Sec square theta minus tan square theta. But that, what is that? That is 1. Why? See these identities. 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta. Okay, so sec square theta minus 1 will be tan square theta. So the required answer is 1. Okay. Next, same, fill in the blanks. If cos a plus cos square a equals to 1, then